In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record expenses and bills in Zoho Books using a free Zoho Books tutorial. Let's get started with recording an expense. Begin by navigating to the Purchases tab located on the left sidebar of your Zoho Books dashboard. Once there, click on Expenses. You'll see a button in the top right corner labeled Plus New. Click on that to create a new expense entry. Now let's fill in the details of your expense. First, enter the date on which the expense was incurred. This is important for accurate financial tracking and reporting. Next, select the appropriate expense account to categorize it correctly. This helps in understanding what the expense was for and assists in accurate financial analysis later on. Then, decide how this expense was paid. Was it through your bank account, cash, or another payment method? Specify this under the Paid Through option. Enter the total amount of the expense too. This includes all taxes or additional fees associated with the purchase. If you made this purchase from a specific vendor, enter their name to keep track of whom you're paying regularly. One crucial part of maintaining accurate records is attaching a receipt of the expense. Click on Choose File or simply drag and drop the receipt file if you have it saved on your computer. Once all this information is entered, review it for accuracy and then click Save to ensure the information is stored in Zoho Books. This simple process will help you effectively manage your expenses. Next, we'll move on to recording a bill in Zoho Books. Again, head over to the Purchases tab, but this time click on Bills. You'll see an option to create a bill. Click on it to start recording a new bill. For the bill, begin by entering the vendor's information. You can choose from existing vendors or add a new one if needed. This retrospective allows you to keep track of who you owe money to. Enter the bill number, which you'll find on the vendor's bill. This number is crucial in matching your records with the vendors to avoid payment confusion. Now, specify the bill date and due date. Accurate dates help you manage timely payments. If payments are based on terms, these dates will reflect the agreed-upon conditions, ensuring clarity in transactions. Proceed by adding line items from the bill. Enter the description, quantity, rate, and the relevant account. Pay attention to these details to ensure accurate accounting of what you're being billed for. Additionally, you can add any applicable taxes, discounts, and notes that are needed. Personal notes can help clarify any special terms or conditions related to this bill for future reference. Once you've filled out all necessary details, take a moment to review everything to ensure it is all correct, and then click Save to finalize the bill. By following these steps, you're ensuring a well-organized and efficient financial tracking system within Zoho Books.